This is what typing on your Mac by default sounds like on your keyboard. But with this app, this is how it sounds like. The app is called Klack. I reviewed it yesterday, but I had to take the video down and make it private because I accidentally reviewed an older version which was missing like 70% of the features. Yeah, we have a good number of variations of the keyboard feedback. In the spirit of customization, there is a tone pad in Klack settings where you can adjust the sound for each keyboard sound profile. Yeah, from the clacky to the talky. Talky is kind of like a low frequency sound, while clacky sounds more on the higher frequency end. We also have spatial audio supports if you're into that kind of thing, and we have stats. Stats help to record and keep the number of clicks, the number of dings, and you can even customize your entire kit to make a kind of ding sound. Yeah, that sounds like a money counter machine. I can imagine the code writers among you guys might like it. One major concern I had was like with the loudness of the keyboard feedback and a situation where you might not want it to be loud, yeah, but then the keyboard feedback would disturb you. So in the app, there is this function called sleep triggers. Yeah, essentially, there are a certain like list of conditions in which you can either silence the keyboard completely or greatly reduce the volume. For me, I set mine to when I enabled focus mode. As you can see, instantly you can either just silence it straight away or the keyboard reduces to volume level 20. Also, the system impact is very reasonable. Memory usage, CPU utilization, everything is very negligible. You'd barely even notice the app is running. The developer gave me this license as a thank you for the review I did on Alcove, the dynamic island for Mac app, which is up here. But the review is still based entirely on my own personal opinion about the app. It's not sponsored in any way. Essentially, I like everything about the app fulfilling the purpose for which it was intended for, especially the tone pad and sleep triggers. Precisely sleep triggers. That one just that's good attention to what the user wants. And it costs around $5 US. To be very honest, this kind of app, I won't just say you should go straight away to buy it. Yeah, for instance, someone like me that used to be on a very tight budget on my early days using Macs, yeah, I would say spend on other key apps that you need. But if you have $5 spare to just get anything without thinking twice, I would say Klack is a very solid app, especially when you consider that it's a one-time purchase. Keyboard sounds aren't really a necessity. On a tight budget, I would say check out other apps you might actually need before getting this. Anyways, I think this is where we'll cut ways, and I'll see you guys around. iHaadi out.